Thank you, Ambassador Harish. Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, namaskar. It is great honor to speak about Haryana, from a state from where I belong and from where I come from. Its inspiring journey of inclusive and innovative governance, a journey shaped by vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, whose guiding mantra Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas reminds us that collective progress comes through collective effort. Haryana has redefined what good governance means, where transparency, technology, and compassion come together to uplift women and children and families. The state's approach strongly aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Goals. In line with the Prime Minister's call for minimum government, maximum governance, Haryana has institutionalized innovation through its Good Governance Award scheme, encouraging every department and district to find smarter, more transparent, citizen-friendly ways to serve the people. Technology now links every beneficiary directly to government services, from Women's Safety Helpline to scholarship payments. Government in Haryana is no longer a top-down process. It is citizen-centered, data-driven, and inclusive, fulfilling the spirit of SDG 16. One of Haryana's most forward-looking initiative is the state creche policy I would like to speak about, under which over 300 creches were established in the first 100 days of the current government. This policy addresses two key challenges: empowering working women by providing safe and affordable childcare near workplaces, enabling mothers to return to work with peace of mind, supporting early childhood development, ensuring children receive safe, nurturing, and educational environment in their formative years. The public-community partnership model of this policy involving local women group, Anganwadi centers, and private organizations make it highly replicable. It advances both SDG 4, quality education, and SDG 8, decent work and economic growth, by linking childcare with women's economic participation. Haryana also places children at the center of its development vision through a program like Aapki Beti, Hamari Beti, Mission Vatsalya, and Hariha scheme. The state ensures education, healthcare, and social security to every child, especially girls and orphans. By integrating Helpline 181, which is Women Helpline, 1098 Children Helpline, and 112 Emergency, Haryana has built one of India's first unified safety response system, protecting lives with speed and empathy, reinforcing SDG 16. Another groundbreaking initiative showing the blend of technology, rural inclusive, and women's empowerment in Drone Didi initiative under the center's Namo Drone Didi scheme. Women-led self-help groups are trained to help drone Didis, drone pilots, and provide drones to service agriculture for spraying fertilizer, pesticides, seeds, thereby reducing labor cost, saving water, and improving efficiency. In Haryana, this scheme has been emerged strongly. The state is training around 5,000 women from 500 SHGs, providing each SHG with a drone at 80% subsidy. This initiative directly links to SDG 5, SDG 8, SDG 12 by promoting efficient tech-enabled agriculture and creating new livelihoods for rural women. Haryana's journey from a state once known for gender disparity to becoming powerhouse for women sportspersons and achievers is a story of transformation, of change in mindset of governance meeting ground realities. Today, the same land that once struggled with gender imbalance proudly celebrates its daughter on global podiums, whether it is wrestling, boxing, shooting, or athletes. This evolution embodies the true essence of Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao, evolving Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao where girls are given a chance, they don't just participate, they lead, they inspire, they win. Thank you so much.